The existence of an established custodial environment and the importance of an established custodial environment cannot be understated. Well, what is it? Well, by definition, under MCL 722.27, an established custodial environment is to which parent does a child look to for the regular necessities of life over an appreciable period of time. Now, that definition is fine and good, but it's in practice what's important for us. An established custodial environment creates the burden of proof, or rather, it sets the burden of proof. There are multiple burdens of proof in the law, the highest being beyond a reasonable doubt. We're not going to incarcerate an individual or take away their personal liberty unless there's no reasonable doubt that they committed the crime. Now, in a civil action like a divorce or a child custody case, the highest burden of proof is clear and convincing evidence. So, for our purposes, before a court can evaluate the 12 best interest factors, is it in the best interest of the child that they be with one parent or another parent for the majority of the time, whether it's custody or parenting time, a court must first make a determination of the existence of an established custodial environment. And if there's an established custodial environment with one parent, the burden of proof is then clear and convincing evidence. That is, a court will not remove a child from its established custodial environment absent a determination that there is clear and convincing evidence to do so. Whereas if there's an established custodial environment with both parents, a court will not remove a child or change custody unless there's a preponderance of the evidence. That's much lower. Really, what we're looking at is the scales of justice. Preponderance of the evidence, a little bit more likely than not, well, then maybe we can change custody or parenting time. Preponderance of the evidence. Clear and convincing evidence requires a very substantial amount of evidence. That's the importance, because whether you're trying to advocate a modification or an award of custody towards yourself, arguing the existence of an established custodial environment can mean the difference between success or not being successful in your claim. I'm Daniel Findling with Findling Law and thedivorceguy.com. Of course, I'd like to welcome you to reach out to our office at any time with questions that you may have on anything divorce related, child custody, the established custodial environment, best interest of the child. Been doing this for over 25 years. Let it be our privilege to help you.